you throw me a question like fucking dick, then I'll throw you that fucking question again. You,
Why, my question is, again, is, why the donut has a hole, not a wall?
Yeah, yes, I will throw the question because I shared my answer. Then try to answer the fucking dick answer question.
We are the question man.
Man, I just want to know the answer.
Yeah.
Come on.
I don't know the answer.
Man, he's trying to fool me.
Okay, come on.
Oh. Before I answer that fucking question, can you...
Answer the second question.
Second.
We have the three questions, man.
Hey,
The
this
thing-
guy,
Okay. 3 questions
you are
first.
trying to fool us.
We are the PNP
I
personnel.
will answer that.
You're the applicant, we are the question man.
Yeah, man.
As an applicant, I want to know the answer. Am I?
No, you're not MI. I'm not Triskelion. You're not the mother escaper of
Are you
the
are you with drugs?
No, I saw your teeth in the video, man.
Hey, don't stop.
No, don't stop.
Saan na mo ng camera?
Next question.
Kimo mo na. Talagang tinggal di
Hey, speak in English, man. Okay. Why the donut has a hole, man?
Oh, yun na.
You want me to answer why the donut has a hole?
Yes, you're the moral idiot as I'm saying to you.
You know why, man? You know why?
I know the answer.
Oh.
Okay.
I just texted to you later.
Anyway, thanks for the complimentary.
Anyway, next question. Next, don't speak Tagalog, man. Don't
Shut up.
Pwede mo ako sa tutmang. I want to answer it right now.
Another question, man. Another word.
You're trying to jump a questions which is not done.
Are you calling yourself as a board passer?
That's a big boom. Big boom.
You don't understand what we're talking about here. You're talking the donut has a wall, not wall, it's a hole. You're a motherfucker.
That's right. The judges. What's your opinion about?
Okay.
About
Okay. Next question na lang. Next question. Why the Earth has? What is the shape of the Earth?
It's oblate. Just said while ago. It's oblate spheroid. Spheroid.
Yes, you use steroid.
Like mongoloid.
Why? That's why you are crazy now, man. Answer it, Moron.
Wala kadulot doon sa mga usap ko.
Do you call yourself a card holder of the PRC?
What?
Do you call yourself a board passer? You don't answer our questions.
Yeah. This I deserve.
Why you deserve? You take 2 exams.
Oh man, no, you are trying to what because I deserve it. That's all the answer is nothing more, nothing less. Because I deserve.
So no. Not more, not less. He's in the middle of the gate.
What is the connection between the middle of the gate to my answer? Okay.
In the middle of the gate, there's a guard. Yeah.
It seems you are trying to say with us that no ID, no entry.
Now, can you answer the second question we asked you before?
I already answered the second question.
Okay, what?
If you cannot understand what I'm talking about, isn't it? Sino?
Ay, sumagot si Toti Tipo. Lalagay ko to sa YouTube, gago.
Guys, basta yun, walang kadulot-dulot.
Hey man, I have a question for him. They said that all creatures by God are beautiful. Then my question is, who created you?
Oh, pretty. Okay, that's what a pretty nice. That's what our pretty nice and closely different question.
Oh, can you answer that?
I'll answer to the right.
Can you elaborate one by one? Elaborate with
Fucking dick.
Can you rate yourself 1 to 10 and answer that motherfucking question?
I'll rate
That King
myself.
asking to you.
It's 7 because I'm truly perfect. I'm truly perfect from a physical way, man. The way I look. The way I look, I'm not.
Yeah, he is.
Then can I answer the answer of this fucking dick quiz or?
Yeah, sure.
You always said dick. Do you like dick? I will give my dick to you.
Finish my dick. Hey, just answer it.
Why the Earth is has
Repeat the question, fucking dick.
King Arsulon? Can you give the second question that we asked before?
Oh, just while I said ago, they said all creatures are
Beautiful.
beautiful. Diba? They are being created by God. And my question is, who created you?
Okay, it's God, man. It's God.
No, God is not created.
As I said, all creatures are beautiful, created by God.
Oh, God.
Who created you?
Seems that you are not understand what does the Bible is saying that we are.
No, you're made by the snake.
No,
Snake,
no.
like-
No, the snake
You
was
are the one who created
No.
man. Don't you
No,
get that, man?
no, man.
It's not from a physical. It's not in a physical.
Man,
appearance.
that's
It's the way it's your attitude. Did you know that attitude can
Kill you.
can be what you call it? It is the a skill that can success,
Amen.
and attitude can be a success. No, it's not for an appearance. Although I don't have the looks, but I have the guts to improve.
So, my question is,
Why?
what's your point?
No, my question
That's
is.
the point. It's not all the appearance. It's the way you are, man. It's the way you handle within.
Just answer my question. Who created you?
It's God, man.
No.
You are always saying that who created it. I answered that before. You're trying to follow the fucking question, which I had answered that
Okay,
before.
congratulations, candidate. Another
Ay,
question.
No.
Ako naman taking naman.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
You're an idiot.
Don't speak Tagalog, man.
Sit there, okay?
Shut up, because...
Sit there. Stay.
Stay.
Stay. Stay.
I don't.
Stay. Stay. Sit. Sit. You're bullshit.
Stop it. Stop it.
I saw you take a drink. What are you drinking? So you're not created by God. You proclaim yourself you're not created by God. You're created by the snake who seduced Eva or Eve.
Wow, damn.
That's great.
You're the snake who eat banana.
Pag ginawa ng kadalot,
Now, my
that's already with drug.
Let's stop and play that.
my final and last question. Why your face is like that?
Why? Why?
Why? Please answer.
I guess I have what you call that? I have answered that before.
You didn't answer that before.
You're trying to pull us.
You
look like a dick.
your answer is so wild or wild and wild. You're wet and wild, you know.
Ready to go.
Putang ina, kaya pala bumabagsak ka sa mga interview ng ipag.
No, you're the one who failed the exam. Sa amin pala, hindi ka pa papasa. Baka pagpasok mo pala sa security doon sa Napolcom, sa guard pa, hindi ka napapasa. Anyway, answer the last and final question. Why your face is like that? We're waiting for your answer.
Yeah,
I'm giving you 10 minutes.
Amen. Be serious, be serious.
Be serious, man. Be professional. You're a teacher. You're a professional teacher, not a professional man.
Fucking dick.
No.
Ako naman
Man. Answer, can you,
That's already drunk.
no, can you repeat our question, man?
Are you with that or are you drunk?
Why your problem is your face?
Yes.
What? His face?
Yes.
I guess he has the point.
No, he is not a girl. No, she.
What?
He. Huh? Not she. You're a shoot. Huh?
Oh, there you
Hey, damn you.
He's a girl.
Faggot. Okay.
What's mo muna kay King? What's mo kay King?
Okay.
What? Tanong mo the same question, no?
Do you love Mao? Oh, sorry, Mao. No.
Do you love Noemi?
Noemi?
Yeah, I do.
How come?
I do.
How come?
Because I really love her, man. You
How
know.
come nga? Putang ina mo.
How come? Maybe tomorrow I'll come here.
Why God created you?
because he had the point. Point of view.
Very good. That's a nice question answer, man. Another question is, why your favorite...
Kevin mo na, Kevin. Kevin. Ay, ikaw naman. Okay.
Bahala ka dyan. Hey, Dick. Do you think you're created by God?
I'm not quite sure because I think I'm what do you call it, this religion, atheist. I
Okay.
don't believe in God, I only believe in science.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So,
Let's listen, man.
He believe in
I proclaim and I believe that this
Yeah.
is technology created by Luma